From the next, so going on the left side to the patients. So here, this is a dummy blank office here. So we're adding, little minor enhancements as well into the system. Like, for example, the primary care physician, we just added like a shortcut. So if I click on that, I do want to make sure everyone knows that it will bring up the patient and referrals for you in another tab. Okay, so you don't have to kind of lose your place here. So if I go to settings, for example, and then I scroll down and go to PCP/referral, so it loads up for me. But now I lost where I was. So I want to make sure everyone knows that you can open up different tabs, whether you're on the schedule or the patients or the notes, whatever you want to do. We are cloud-based. So with cloud-based, we want to make sure that we optimize or we utilize all the features of the browser, which includes opening up new tabs. Okay, because that is some of the feedback we get is like, oh, how do I open up a new tab so I don't lose where I was working? So another shortcut for that is there's a button on the top here called Duplicate Current Page. So if I do click on that, it'll do the same thing. It's going to duplicate the page that I'm on, so you don't have to lose your place. Okay. Also, the instant messaging on the top. So I do encourage everyone to use that. I know we have a lot of great feedback on that, so please make sure you're utilizing that. You can add any user, click on the user, you can chat back and forth, whatever you need. And of course, it's HIPAA compliant because it stays within our system. So yeah, make sure you use that.